The Nissan X-Trail is a compact crossover produced by the Japanese automaker, and it is the best-selling SUV in Asian countries. The redesigned next-generation X-Trail's official teaser is released by Nissan Motors, and it will debut at the Shanghai Motor Show in China. The new generation Nissan crossover X-Trail is sold only in North America, where the model is called Rogue. The new-gen Nissan X-Trail gets a V-motion grille that is complemented by a decorative grille frame and a fish-eye type LED DRL, along with new multi-level LED headlamps and LED fog lamps. The SUV gets an active grille shutter, 3D tire deflectors in the lower front fascia, and a unique air curtain and underbody covers. The SUV gets wraparound LED tail lamps, a roof-integrated spoiler with brake lights, and a dual-tone lower bumper. The 2021 Nissan X-Trail features a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that integrates Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster, an all-around view camera, wireless charging, and multifunctionality. Steering wheel, updated surface trim, dashboard, and center console have also been redesigned. The Chinese spec X-Trail could be powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 204 PS and 300 Nm of torque. This engine is expected to be mated to a CVT gearbox. The standard model will have front-wheel drive layout, while the all-wheel drive system will be offered as an option.